Every autumn, trees shed a breathtaking cascade of gold and crimson leaves, nature's gift, not waste. These vibrant leaves blanket the ground, transforming parks and gardens into a living tapestry of colour and texture. Yet their beauty is more than just visual. It's a sign of nature's cycle, offering us a hidden resource. Too often we rush to bag and discard them, treating them as a seasonal chore to be removed. In doing so, we miss out on their true value, the incredible potential to create rich, vibrant soil that can nourish our gardens for years to come. These fallen leaves, especially from deciduous trees like oak, maple and beech, are perfect for making leaf mould, a powerful natural soil conditioner that gardeners have cherished for generations. Unlike traditional compost, leaf mould works wonders by improving soil structure, boosting water retention, and creating essential airy pockets for healthy root growth. It's a gentle, organic way to enhance your garden's vitality. The process of making leaf mould can take years if left alone, but with the right approach, turning and moistening the pile, you can have beautiful, crumbly leaf mould in as little as 2 months. Start by collecting clean, chemical-free leaves, steering clear of waxy or tough types like holly or pine needles. By choosing the right leaves, you set the stage for creating a garden treasure that will enrich your soil and support healthy plants. The secret to fast leaf mould? Shredding. Breaking leaves into smaller pieces is the first step to unlocking their hidden potential. When you shred leaves, you're not just making them smaller, you're giving nature a head start. Shredded leaves offer much more surface area for fungi and microbes to work their magic, dramatically speeding up decomposition. Fungi thrive on these tiny fragments, weaving through the pile and breaking down tough leaf fibres. Use a lawnmower or leaf shredder to chop up your leaves, then pile them at least 1 metre high and wide. This size helps the pile retain both moisture and warmth, creating the perfect environment for decomposition. A wire mesh bin or pallet enclosure is ideal for holding your leaf pile together while allowing plenty of airflow. Crucial for keeping the pile from getting soggy and smelly. Keep the pile as damp as a wrung-out sponge. If it's too dry, decomposition stalls. If it's too wet, it turns slimy and anaerobic. Check moisture regularly and adjust as needed. Inside, fungi and other decomposers break down the leaves, transforming them over months into a soft, earthy material that smells like a forest floor. This isn't hot composting. It's a cool, steady process that takes patience, but the result is worth it. Rich, crumbly leaf mould, often called black gold, ready to nourish your garden beds. Build your pile in layers. Start with shredded leaves, then add water, repeating this process until it's 1 metre tall and sturdy. For the first month, check moisture regularly. Keep it damp but never soaked through. After 4 weeks, turn the pile with a garden fork, moving outer leaves to the centre and vice versa for even breakdown. This aerates, redistributes moisture, and gives beneficial fungi a real boost. As you turn, look for white fungal threads and a rich, earthy smell. These are signs of healthy decomposition at work. The pile will shrink and darken as it transforms into valuable compost. With just a little attention and patience, you're well on your way to finished leaf mould. In the first weeks, the pile settles, shrinks and darkens as fungi and microbes get to work breaking down the leaves. By 1 month, the leaves merge into a crumbly mass, laced with white mycelium and smelling like a rich, healthy forest floor. After turning the pile, decomposition accelerates, the material becomes fine, cool to the touch, and more uniform in texture. At 2 months, your leaf mould should be dark, soft and earthy, with a pleasant, natural aroma. A few leaf fragments are fine. What matters most is the texture and the unmistakable earthy smell. Squeeze a handful. It should hold its shape, but crumble easily in your palm, showing it's ready. Now it's ready to use, a testament to nature's quiet transformation and the magic of patient composting. Spread your finished leaf mould as mulch around your garden plants to suppress weeds, protect delicate roots, and create a natural barrier against unwanted growth. It helps conserve precious moisture, especially during dry spells, and slowly feeds the soil as it breaks down. Leaf mould attracts earthworms and beneficial microbes, improving soil structure and aeration. Far better than peat moss, and it's much more sustainable. Making leaf mould is a regenerative act that gives back to the earth, transforming autumn's fallen leaves into a valuable resource for your garden beds. Repeat this simple process each year to build healthier, more resilient soil that can withstand drought and heavy rain. With every handful you spread, you're investing in your garden's future, nurturing the foundation for thriving plants and abundant harvests. You're also supporting a living ecosystem, encouraging biodiversity above and below the soil. This simple ritual connects you to nature's cycles of decay, transformation and renewal. Leaf mould isn't just a soil amendment, it's a living legacy you create for your patch of earth, ensuring its health for generations to come.